In this video, we'll learn how to use the eraser tools that vectoring offers. Now, the eraser tools are found in the toolbar right under the draw tool, and there are 4 of them. You have your traditional eraser tool, your scissor tool, your knife tool, and your remove tool. And I'll cover each of these using these objects I have on the canvas. So what I have on the canvas is a compound path right here, which is a path that is made up of multiple paths. Then I have 3 individual paths, and then I have a group. I'm going to show you how these eraser tools work with these different object types. So first off, you have your traditional eraser tool, which when dragged over an object is going to erase parts of that object. Now, when dragged over a compound path, it's going to erase the parts of that compound path. But if dragged over a group, it's not going to erase parts of the group. So do not use this tool on groups. They are made for paths. Now, you notice the eraser size is a bit small. So if you open up the eraser tool properties in the control bar, and if you're on a mobile phone, this is located about at the bottom of your screen, you can increase the size. So I'm going to increase it to 24. And then if I drag it over one of these paths, you'll notice it's much bigger. Moving on to the scissor tool. Now what this will do is cut a path wherever the line from the scissor line intersects. So I'm going to demonstrate by dragging this, and you see it's like the draw tool, right? You can bring it along and it'll cut here and wherever it intersects, allowing you to split a path in half. Now, after doing this, though, the path is open right here. Okay, you can open up the path properties and hit close path, and then you notice the stroke will extend all the way across. But yeah, it splits the path open. All right. Now the next one is going to be the knife tool, which is just like the scissor tool, except it keeps a straight line and it snaps every 45 degrees. Okay, allowing you to cut a path, slice a path into pieces. All right. And you notice this one, then it's sliced these. So the scissor tool and the knife tool are the same. Only difference is the knife tool will keep a straight line. The scissor tool will not. And then lastly is the erase tool, or the remove tool. I'm sorry. The remove tool works on all 3 of these object types, and it is simply for removing an object. It's just like the trash button or the delete button when you have the selection tool active. It just deletes an object like that. Now, why use this? What makes this special? Well, it allows you to delete in context. So if I can select a compound path or a group and then just start removing different parts of it. Okay. Then I can select this group over here, and you notice it isolates this object. So now I can go ahead and start removing individual paths or objects, not just paths, but any object. You can remove images with this tool, or whole groups. Okay, I can come in here and just remove everything from the canvas right now. So that is the remove tool. So remove tool removes objects in context, or just removes objects altogether from the screen. Then you have the knife tool and the scissor tool, which are the same. They are used for splitting paths. And then you have the traditional erase tool, which will basically remove parts of an object or cut a hole in an object even. It removes the geometry of an object altogether versus just cutting the ends of the paths or removing the whole path altogether. It'll remove parts, clumps of an object, if you will. So that is the eraser tools in a nutshell. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more updates, tutorials, and everything related to vectoring. Until next time, I'll catch you guys later.